Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing great. On this video I want to show you how to make this easy palazzo jumpsuit. This for a child of about 5 years old. This method of course is applicable for an adult. If you want to call this for an adult yourself, you can also make use of this process. Yes. So I'm making use of this beautiful African print, and you can see some lines here. So at this top part, what I have here is 2 inches, which is going to represent a casing. I'll use it to fix in a rope tie. Okay, yeah, so that's why I have this line here. Then this other part, what I have here is 3 inches. I'll be using to create just a little bit of a-line effect at the crotch part. Okay, yeah, so getting started, this line automatically is going to be my startup line. So because I'm going to be adding a strip, so I'll be cutting this line in form of an off shoulder. So I'm going to be taking away 3 inches. Okay, for this child 3 inches is what I'm taking. So I'll place at my 3 inches mark. I'm going to start here and start taking the vertical measurement. So from here the chest line is at 7, so I'm taking note of that. Then the next is going to be the waistline. The waistline at 11, the hip line at 18. Then the crotch depth is going to be 23. Okay, I'll take it again. From here at this 3 inches mark, what I have here, the first line, the chest line at 7, the next is the waist at 11, the next is the hip at 18, then the crotch at 23, and of course the length of the jumpsuit. So that's it. I'll just convert all this to a straight line, and also have in mind that I'm cutting out for both the front and the back piece together. From this chest line, I'll fix in the bust measurement, which is 22. If I divide it by 4, what I have is 5.5. So I'll fix in 5.5, and I'll add extra 2 inches of allowance. Then come here to this waistline. The waist also 22 divided by 4, 5.5 plus extra 2 inches of allowance. I'll make it 2.5 so I can little bit free because it's a child. I want it to be free, very free. Then this is the hip line, which is 26 divided by 4. That's 6.5 plus 2.5 inch. Okay, so what I will do now is to take it from this hip all the way to the end of it. First of all, I'll connect from the bust to the waist, from the waist to the hip. Then from this hip, I'll take it straight down, as if I'm creating an A-line shape. Okay, so you can see this. Then coming here, this line, remember, is the crotch line. So I'm going to just move in outwards by 1.5. Just move outward by 1.5 here. So I'm going to take it. This is the hip line. So I'm going to create my crotch at this way. So here I've created my crotch here. So I'll take it from this crotch all the way to the end of this jumpsuit. Okay, yeah, so that's the reason why we left this 3 inches space. So from this bust point line, I'll just extend what I have here straight to this starting point line. So this is my bust point line. I'm just extending it upward. Okay, so from here I'll come in, say 2 inches. I'll just come in by 2 inch. So I'm marking that 2 inch here. Then I'll connect it to the chest line. So you can see this. So we just created our armhole curve. So that is it, guys. You can see like we're practically done here. So coming to this point, remember, because of this extension we created here, remember this point is no longer going to be on full. So which means I'll be having a joining here. Okay, it's going to be open, so I need to also join it back. I hope you understand that. So in order to do that, in order not to have my width shortened, I'll just add half of an inch from this top all the way all the way what to this crotch depth. So I'll take it this way. I hope you see what I'm doing. So by the time I join, I will still have it what come back to this line we have here. I hope you understand that. So that's it there. So I'll just go ahead and cut this out. So guys, we're done with the cutting. So this is it. You can see how this looks. It's as easy as that. So the next thing what now is to join this piece together. So remember I said the line is still here. There's going to be a joining to close up this part back. So the stitch is going to be, of course, half of an inch from this way, and we'll what stop at this crotch line. That's what we're going to do. And the same thing, of course, we'll be doing to the other piece as well. So I'll go ahead and stitch it. So you can see this. So once you stitch it, you have it this way. You can see. So once you are done stitching the center, the next thing to do now will be to create the casing. We're going to be creating the casing for the tie. So just following the 2 inches mark, you fold this way, and you also will fold inwards. So I have this strip. It's about 28 inch, 2 inch in width, 28 inch long. So I'm going to be folding this to create a strip like this way, and this way. So this is what I'll do. So after creating my long strip, the same thing for the other one. Then this time I will now pass it through this casing I have created. So and here guys, I'm done with this. I've hemmed the center piece. I've also created the casing. I went ahead to clean the armhole part. I used the bias tape for both sides and the other piece as well. So you can see this is all ready. I did the same thing for the other piece. So what I'll do now is just to place each over, right side facing each other. I'll place it and arrange it properly. After that, then I'll hem the side. So I'll just start from this armhole point here. I'll take it straight down to the floor length. The same thing I'll also do to the other side. After that, then I'll join the crotch. You can see, having it this way already. Just take it from here straight down, from this side, take it the other way as well. Once we're done with this, I'll hem the lower part, and that will be it. The only thing that will be left is to create the tie for this casing. So I've also gone ahead to sew this strip of 28 inches. I've done it and also given it a good press. So I'll just go ahead and finish this off. So here guys, I've finished hemming it up. This is all ready and good to go. You can see the upper part. Turn it this way. So here we have it. I'm going to take one of my rope, and here I have a safety pin. So I'll just pass it through. So I'm going to be passing it through this casing. Then go ahead and knot it. So you can see this guys, this is good to go. So that is it guys on how to make this beautiful palazzo jumpsuit for a child. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you find this helpful, please do not forget to like, share, comment. And also if you are new, don't also forget to hit the subscribe button. Remember to on the notification bell beside it on, so that anytime I upload my weekly videos, you always get notified. Thank you so much for joining me again. Till I see you on the next one. Bye for now.